Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today one account was burned, one of those two that I had on FTMO, the other one is break even. I am following my fucking rules, but lately I'm having stop losses, like I had 4 following stop losses. I trade my accounts with a 2% risk, which is in reality 20% risk. I know it's risky, but I just think that you don't have to have attachment to this type of challenges, and I prefer to risk it, know if I can pass it, and that's it. Okay. So, um, well, in the end, today it started the day going with the DXY taking the previous daily high. So I was expecting sells for the USD pairs, and I was looking for buys on the other pairs. So let's see what happened today. So first of all, we had EU. In the beginning of the day, we took this round liquidity in H1. I didn't look for trades because we took the round liquidity on M5 directly. So I just waited for this round liquidity on M5 to be taken, and in the end, it took the previous daily low too. So here we had a movement to the upside. I was expecting this low to be taken to look for buys, but never happened. Okay. GU, it ranged all day, more or less the same as EU, but in this case we had no round liquidity levels apart from the previous daily low, and this low is higher than this one, so no break obstructor. Okay, and no trades or opportunities on GU. Next, USD JPY. I was looking for sales after taking this round liquidity in H1, and we took the previous daily low before. So I was waiting for the break obstructor. In the end, we had the break obstructor right here. All mitigations, I didn't enter here as we had a week to the upside and a week to the downside. So in my opinion, it means that sellers and buyers are like fighting here. It created a lot of sellers liquidity, and then it went up to take all this liquidity out. We had the break obstructor here with a week to the upside, so no trades for me, and it's out of timing. Okay, so nothing at all in the end. USD okay. So on the USD we had this round liquidity in H1 here from this break obstructor and the previous daily high, so it was clear to look for sales in my opinion. USD usually takes the round liquidity on M5s before, so it took them. We had this round liquidity on M5 here, but I didn't want to look for trades, which I see that it would have been a profit probably, but after taking one, okay, but after taking two, I didn't feel it like good, but I know I had some good trade that it worked like this. And if I would have entered, probably it would have been something like this with the spread and everything. And let me see. Stop loss probably here. And the round with the M5 was here. So yeah. Yeah, I think I would have targeted here or maybe down here, but well. I didn't trade, of course, this one, which it would have been a profit, but I didn't trade it, and well, in the end, I had no profit here. Okay, I didn't feel it. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. And then USD CAD, my only trade was here. Why the fuck this happens again? So well, let me explain you the trade. So we had this previous daily high, and I was just waiting for this to reverse low 80 and 80, so equal lows. So yeah, I was looking for this to reverse. We had the first break obstructor here, out of timing. we had a clear round liquidity in M1, but it created a lot of liquidity and then it gave the move. I've seen this pattern a few times already, and I'm gonna have to study it at some point because I can see that happens much more than I would love to. So yeah, this was a stop loss. Let me show you the trade. Fuck, I don't have it here, but it's more or less it's here. 32.93, and the target was now. Okay, yeah. So this was my trade. The price came here, and then it reverted back. It took me out, and then it gave the move. Perfect move. I see something interesting here that in my mind it resembles like we had some sort of accumulation, strong move to the upside, then strong move to the downside. I entered this trade because this candle was strong too, and we had rally with M1, of course. So, but something repeats itself, and it makes me think about looking for some sort of pattern here, but maybe it's not profitable. Okay, so yeah, it's just something that I have in my mind after having 4 fucking following stop losses. Luckily, the other account it's up 0.9%, and I burned only one account because I traded with that one the trades that I didn't feel that I felt the worst. So yeah, this was my day. I'm waiting for crypto to do something. I don't know if it's reversing here Ethereum, but I have a trade open on Aster, which is working pretty good. And let's see if we hit the target. But yeah, I'm not closing any trades here. And what Bitcoin, of course. What makes me doubt is I would be looking for buys probably, but what makes me doubt is this week here, this week candle, and this one here, which is clear. It's clear liquidity, real liquidity in my opinion, and I think we will take that. But on Ethereum, for example, we took it already. What I don't like is the these weeks, but well, we will see. Okay, so well. I hope you liked the video, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.